Bybit leveraged trading. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can do leverage trading using Bybit, what are the different features and tools we get, and how we can simply go ahead and use Bybit to do leverage trading. So let's get started. Now, before we begin, I just want to clarify that I am not a financial advisor and this video is for general information and educational purposes only. Leveraged trading is highly risky and is not recommended for inexperienced traders. Never risk money you cannot afford to lose. That being said, let's get into the video. Bybit allows you to sell, trade, and buy cryptocurrency very easily within minutes. It's an easy to use platform with low cost. The link for Bybit is given in the description down below. Click on the link and you will get to this platform right here. You will be able to sign up for free. Once you click on the link given in the description down below and sign up for Bybit, once you sign up, the signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your email address and set up a password. After the initial sign up, you will get to this dashboard, and in here we have buy crypto option. In buy crypto, we get three ways. We have express, P2P, crypto deposit. Then of course we have our marketplace where we can check the latest market trends, prices, and popular crypto coins. Then we get the trade option. In trading, we have spot trading, leverage tokens, launchpad, and buy voids. Then, of course, we have derivatives, earn, and NFT. Let's go to trade and leveraged tokens. I want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and leverage trading involves a high degree of risk, so make sure that you have the right information and you truly understand crypto and trading. That being said, let me show you around Bybit because Bybit has all the right features for us to help us do trading efficiently. The link for Bybit is given in the description down below. Once you click on the link, then you will also get the leverage option right here. So the first thing that we need to do is simply select a coin from here. So in trading, we get our coin here. We can select from any of the different leveraged tokens. We can switch between different tokens that are available. You can see we have leveraged tokens and all of the popular tokens are available and you can use any of these. Let's go with MET. This is the live price right now and this is the price in USD. We also have 24-hour chained and 24-hour high. We get 24-hour low, 24-hour turnover, and 24-hour volume. This is the standard graph, but if we want to get a trading view, then we can switch and it will give us a trading view. We get different tools as well in order to get a depth view to our graph right here, and I can simply add text and mark my tradings, and we can also switch between different times. I can get a 1-hour view, 4-hour view, day view, week, or monthly view from here. Then we can expand the graph too to get a clear view. We have our order book here, and in order book we have price, quantity, and total. It is updating every second. This is the spot option where we can buy and sell. To buy Matic, you will simply add your order price and quantity. Then click on buy Matic and it will buy this token for you. Again, if I want to switch to another token, then I can go to leverage tokens. Let's go with this one. And it will open up the token for me. These are leverage tokens. And we also have its close dates here. We get our volume and we can also hide it if we want to. If we scroll down, we get our current orders, past orders, and trade history. This is our limit, and if I go to market, then I will be able to check my available balance and order value. So you simply type in your order value, whatever you have, and we can also increase the percentage here and then click on our leverage token that we want to buy and the price for which we want to add. We can also deposit fund or transfer assets from these options right here. These are quick options that are available for us to deposit and transfer. When it comes to the leverage tokens, then we can actually check that what kind of leverage tokens are available. So we have for each coin, we have two kind of tokens. We have long and short one. You can also check their price here for the long and the short one, and then we can check their 24-hour change. Almost every coin has two type of tokens, the long one and the short one, and it depends on you that which one you want to check out. We can also add them to our favorites. Let's say that I want to add this one and this one to my favorites, and they will be added here. And then I will be able to access them really easily, and we can track these two from this option, and I will not have to scroll down and search for my coins every day. We can also get the information about the leveraged token that we have selected from this option, and it will give you a depth view of your token. So in here, you will be able to check the product info, general info, rebalancing history. So when it comes to leveraged tokens, make sure that you do check the information, the graph. This is actually a 15-minute graph. Let's go with a daily one so we will have a better idea. So you can see right here, this is our daily graph. We can also go with weekly and monthly. Then get the information such as the circulating supply and initial net asset and total asset value. This will actually help you eliminate any kind of risk and help you trade efficiently. Bybit is very easy platform to use that allows you to do leverage trading easily. Again, we also get derivative option and earn as well. When it comes to our assets, we will be able to get our asset overview from this option. And in here, I will be able to check all of my assets that I have bought, whether it was from leverages or my own funding. So you can see these are my different assets, which is my funding, derivatives, and I can deposit, withdraw, transfer, and trade crypto easily with any of these different assets. So this is like my own profile, and I can get an overview. To deposit, you simply click on deposit, and it allows you to quickly deposit any of the cryptos or USD. Then we have our orders right here, and we can check our spot orders, derivatives orders, and earn order here. And then we have our profile. With Bybit leverage trading, I can access the world's leading and famous leverage tokens. I can get access to all of their graphs, their live price, and volume. With Bybit, it becomes really easy to trade in crypto, buy and sell crypto as well. The link for Bybit is given in the description down below. Click on the link and start leverage trading right now. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to do leverage trading using Bybit. The link for Bybit is given in the description. You can click on the link and get your own dashboard, get your own assets, and start earning today with crypto. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.